Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a post link on Facebook on your PC using the new update. It's actually a pretty simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open your Facebook account on your PC. You can do this by going to facebook.com and entering your login information. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post that you want to share. This can be a post from your timeline, a friend's timeline, or a page that you follow. Step 3. Next, click on the Share button located on the post. This will open up a menu with different options for sharing the post. Step 4. From the menu, choose the chat or messaging platform that you want to send the post link through. You can send it through Facebook Messenger, a group chat, or even as a direct message to a friend. Step 5. Finally, click on the Send button to share the post link with the selected chat. The link will be sent and your friends or group members will be able to see the post when they click on it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a post link on Facebook using your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on social media. Thanks for watching.